Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. Firstly, you need to check is your Bluetooth turned on. So open control panel and turn on it if it turned off. And the speaker should reconnect with your phone automatically, but there is a problem on iOS that you need to do this manually. So if you have iPhone, go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your speaker at the device list. And we have connection. Also, you can try to make the same on your Android device, because sometimes it happened with all devices that didn't want to reconnect automatically. Okay, and next step is to perform a software reset. To perform a software reset, at the top of your speaker we have power button, press and hold it to turn off your speaker, and after that press and hold again to turn on it. Now it disconnected, as you can see, and when I turn on it, it should reconnect automatically to my phone. Of course, sometimes it also happened that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so you can try at least to tap at your speaker to reconnect it. If the software reset didn't help you also, next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button until your speaker turns off. So let's do this. Here we go. Now you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget the device, or you may have unpair or just forget device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After that, tap at your speaker at the device list, and we reconnect it. Now check if the factory reset also didn't help you. One more solution for you is to restart Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Now, firstly, I will show you how to do this on iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have systems what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to the settings. Now, on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general line, then scroll down, and at the bottom, click at the transfer reset iPhone. Then click reset, and in this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So click at this line, then write your password, and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, click at the system, then scroll down again, and right here at the bottom, at least for stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at this line, and right here you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!